welcome to another video. Today I'm looking at my Garmin Instinct 2. I recently picked up a replacement through customer support as I was having some issues, and they decided to send me these two nylon bands as a bonus in the replacement. So I got this back in May, and it's been working fantastic. It's replacing my Apple Watch SE. Basically, I was having an issue with the sensor causing some redness and soreness on my wrist, and they decided that that was an issue, and they replaced it. So today, I'm going to swap out the band, and here's what we need to do that. Obviously, the band, some paper clip, or in this case, I'm using a screwdriver, and of course, the watch. So your paperclip tool of choice, you're going to go ahead and put it into the watch band pin, which you can see kind of shining. It's spring loaded on each side, so you can do it on whichever one works for you. Push it in a little bit, pops out. If you do it the right way, pretty easy. You're going to want to hang on to that pin because we're going to be using it again to put the new band on. I recommend picking up maybe some spares because things happen. So there's your little spring action. We're going to go ahead and pop it back inside. And then, of course, I realized later, which, human error, it's going to be easier to do with the pin off of the watch. And that's due to the thickness of the Velcro padding on the new nylon band. So we're just going to do the same to the other side of the rubber, I believe, band that comes on it, which is very comfortable. I just, the Velcro, I've been using it now for about a week. It's got so much more adjustability. You can kind of find an in-between, so it's nice. All right, so taking the watch, we're going to go ahead and grab the new band, and it loops through one specific way. But here you can see what I mean by the, the Velcro is too thick, which is a good thing. So we're going to pop the pins back out. The Velcro strap has two sides that look very similar. One side has like a pull tab on it. We're going to use that one as the closing loop at the end. So we're going to slide the band onto the pin and then go ahead and press it back in. It'll snap into place and you're on, except I put it on backwards. So we'll go ahead and fix that. One more time. Snap it into place, and sometimes it's not as easy. Use your tool if you need to, which I clearly struggled with. First time changing the band on this watch, and I decided to do it on a video. Go me. Alright, so now that that's on nice and tight, I'm going to switch to the other side. Do the same exact thing. Start with pulling the pin back out. And again, shout out to customer support. They came through and really, they hooked me up with two $40 bands for free and replaced my watch. So can't argue with results and fantastic customer service, like I said. All right, so pop that pin back into place, and you are set. Grab on the pull tab, pulls right up, slide it on, and then you can infinitely tighten it down to whatever you need. If you're doing a workout, obviously you want it a little bit tighter to do your heart rate functions. But that's that. I'm going to go ahead now and set it up to my phone since that was the first time pulling it out of the box. I appreciate you coming through. See you next time.